Ciao amici! Welcome to Easy Italian class. This is lesson number 1, and we will talk about greetings and introductions. So let's begin. First word you should know is ciao. Ciao means hi or hello. Ciao. Next we have salve. Hello. Salve. Both of these words are informal, so they should be used with friends, family, or people that are younger than us. Next we have more formal greetings. Buongiorno, good morning. Buongiorno. Buonasera, good evening. Buonasera. These greetings can be used formally, so anyone you don't know, or someone older than you, or a professor or your boss. But they can really be used in any occasion for anyone.
Ciao.
Salve.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Now let's talk about how to introduce yourself. Come ti chiami? What is your name? Come ti chiami? The formal version of that is come si chiama. Come si chiama. So when somebody asks you, come ti chiami, you should respond, mi chiamo, and then your name. For example, I would respond, mi chiamo Laura. My name is Laura. Mi chiamo Laura. You should try it, of course, with your own name. Mi chiamo. Once you've exchanged names, you should answer Piacere. Nice to meet you. Piacere. Or you may say Piacere di conoscerti. Piacere di conoscerti. Let's not forget the formal version is Piacere di conoscerla. Piacere di conoscerla.
Ciao. Come ti chiami?
Mi chiamo Laura. Come ti chiami?
Mi chiamo Jason. Piacere.
Piacere.
Ciao. Come si chiama?
Mi chiamo Laura. Come si chiama lei? Now let's talk about how we say goodbye. Arrivederci. Arrivederci. Goodbye. The formal version of that is arrivederla. Arrivederla. A presto. See you soon. A presto. A domani. See you tomorrow. A domani. Ciao. Bye. Ciao. And if you remember, ciao also means hello. So you can say ciao for hello or goodbye. Arrivederci, Jason.
A presto.
Finally, two last words which are fairly simple. Si means yes. Si. And no means no. No. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos from Easy Italian class, hit the subscribe button. Arrivederci.